So, do you guys believe in magic? Do you think that a magic wand is going to be played for you and your wishes are going to be true? Well, I would say this is actually the reality. The universe is going to play the magic wand for you, and your wishes are going to become your reality. By the way, I never believed in this. I never believed in the magic. I never believed in something like this phenomena that it happens. So, the point is how I got that faith. First of all, faith is a very, very strong word. If you have faith in something, that is surely going to happen, which is actually going to focus upon what is the magic of manifestation. What is actually manifestation? If you're new to this term, let me tell you. So here I am sharing with you the power of magic of universe. So hi, I am Palak Zen and I'm going to share this video with you. So when I started this journey of being a life and mindset coach, I was absolutely clueless what am I going to do. Okay. So first of all, I've started by quitting my job. I'm not telling you, and I never suggest anybody to quit their job because everybody cannot handle this. But I took the risk and I was very much confident enough that I have to do something which is absolutely magical, which is something people cannot expect from me. So I have started my journey. As you can see, I have started posting stuff. I have got the help from one of the most wonderful friend of mine, and I reach up here where I can do my work with freedom, with all the enjoyments of life. This was my idea. Everybody was not able to understand this, what was I doing actually, because leaving a particular job which was at my comfy zone, nobody can understand or could understand this particular decision of mine which I have taken for my career. But I knew what I am going to do. So I gathered up myself and I have started this journey of mine with a positive mindset that I am definitely going to achieve what I want to achieve in my life. So I have started my manifestation journey. I have got a coach for myself. She helped me out to understand the basic things. The most important point that actually triggered me was whatever you speak actually becomes your reality. And most importantly, the laws which are actually there in the science. And this is nothing like magic. This is something the exact fact. So the moment I realized this, I just thought of that I have to be very much mindful about what I speak and what I think, because basically this is a cycle. This is a cycle of the creative process that works. What do you think? What are your thoughts? Actually, you start speaking. So let me tell you in clear terms. First, what we think actually becomes our thought. What we think and the thoughts are there, we speak. And whatever we speak actually registers itself in the subconscious mind to be our reality. It sends the signal to the universe, and the universe registers that okay, this is the reality this particular person wants, and it sends you back the pictures in the similar way. This is nothing like, oh, it is such rubbish thing. Absolutely not. This is the actual law. The people should believe. If you'll ask me this, okay, fine, I'll say that I want this, I want that, and it is going to happen. It is surely going to happen. Mark my words. Because this is the law. This is actually the law. This is the law of attraction. This is the law of manifestation. What you think becomes your reality. So, if you don't want to resonate anything which is not as per your wish, if you think I don't want this to be there in my reality, then you should not give the space in your head, in your thoughts, in your mind to all these thoughts, to these emotions. Never ever. Because once you will give the place to these emotions or thoughts in your mind, they will actually become your reality. This is as simple as that. So next time when you think, when you speak, be very mindful about what you are thinking, what you are speaking, because that itself is going to become your reality. Hope this helps to you. Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm new to this particular YouTube thing. Hopefully you love it. Thank you.